In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. If you've stumbled upon this issue, you're definitely not alone. And thankfully, there are a few steps you can take to get back to browsing and buying. So, let's dive right in and resolve this together. First and foremost, you'll want to open up your browser and head directly over to facebook.com/marketplace. This can often bypass any weird glitches or hiccups you might encounter within the main Facebook app, or even the website itself. By attempting to access it directly, you might find that you can get in without further hassle. And if that's all it takes, you're all set. If that doesn't do the trick, the next step is to delve into your browser settings. There, clear out all your browsing data, which includes both your cache and cookies. Sometimes, old or corrupted data gets stuck and can cause a disruption in accessing certain web pages, Facebook Marketplace being one of them. By clearing these out, you're essentially giving your browser a fresh start. Should you still face issues, it's worth trying to access Marketplace using a different web browser altogether. This is a great way to rule out any browser-specific problems. Maybe there's a feature or extension in your usual browser that's messing things up. Switching over to an alternative browser can help you narrow down the cause of the problem. Now, while this might sound overly simple, sometimes just refreshing the page can solve these temporary loading errors. Don't underestimate the power of a quick page reload. Often, these errors are just momentary, and a refresh could be the easiest solution. Lastly, if nothing has worked so far, try logging out of your Facebook account on the app and then logging back in. This action will reset your session, and in many cases, it can fix persistent issues. By logging back in, you're essentially establishing a new connection, which might just be enough to get Marketplace up and running again. And there you have it. 5 straightforward steps to troubleshoot when Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Remember, technology can be fickle at times, but with these steps, you'll increase your chances of resolving the issue. I hope you find these tips helpful and that you're back to browsing and selling on Marketplace in no time. If this guide worked for you, feel free to share it with someone else facing the same problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.